Cancer can be prevented too. This is the motto of the World Cancer Day, which is being observed worldwide today. Cancer, a deadly disease, has many different kinds, but the worst among them that especially are the breast, lungs, head and neck cancer. According to a survey conducted by the experts from the Institute of Radiotherapy and Nuclear Medicines, breast cancer is on top with 20% prevalence among women folk. Similarly, lungs, head and neck cancers are the most common types of cancers among the male population in NWFP. The reasons behind high prevalence of these types of cancers may be many, but experts believe Naswar and tobacco are the major causes.
All the people who are suffering from head and neck cancer, they use tobacco, Naswar, and especially from Miran Shah, Bannu, Jai Khan, from this bed. Because in these areas, not even male, but female used this Naswar.
Mushtaq is one such patient, now unable to talk, although he has quit Naswar, but the disease has already spread to his tongue.
तकरीबन 3 साल या 4 साल मैंने नस्वा किया, तकरीबन से ज़्यादा होता है। तो इसके बाद बस यही जो तकलीफ हुआ उसको मुझको मिला।
Hundreds of patients are visiting the hospital in Peshawar every day. But due to unawareness, most of them are diagnosed at a very late stage, which reduces their chances of survival. Doctors believe that some types of cancers may be prevented through vaccinations like liver and uterine cervical cancer. They say other types can also be treated successfully if diagnosed early.
सन 2006 से मैं बीमार हूँ और इरनम अस्पताल आता रहा, रेगुलर इलाज करता रहा, हर महीने आता रहा, इंशाल्लाह अब मैं ठीक ठाक हूँ.
Around 5,500 patients come to the hospitals for treatment in Peshawar, and some are getting regular treatment, but like many other sectors, health too remained ignored for the last few years.
We need more fund to treat them with chemotherapy. We have facilities of equipments, human resource, a qualified staff, but there is lack of fund for chemotherapy, which is very expensive.
Irnam Hospital is providing treatment for all types of cancers, and with the help of the Patient Welfare Society, poor patients are also getting expensive medicines on discount. But for many, treatment is still not affordable. This 75-bedded hospital is not sufficient to cater to the needs of thousands of patients coming from across the NWFP. The government lacks funds, but the facilities can be extended if participation of community is ensured. Mumtaz Bangash, DawnNews, Peshawar.